muscle. Sabi ko, okay ka lang. Ay, lahat dog pa. Sabi ka, atin ko. Ano? Ang laki mo ah. Lalaki ka sa akin. Ano ka, baby? Kasi okay lang yan. Happy birthday, Ate! Thank you kay Rami! Ulat ka, no? Ulat ka? Okay. Masyadong malaki ang ating musik. Magaling mo lang yan. Yan! Hi kay Mother! Ayan. Meron tayo. Ito ka po. Yan. Meron tayo. Flying pag... Okay, kantahan natin na. Happy birthday to Ate Iya, ha? Halika kayo.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Bago may blow yung candle mo, Ading, mag-wish ka muna. Yay! Happy birthday, Miss Iya! Okay. Kailangan ko po ng isang family para po basahin yung letter ng kanyang mommy! Halika, Ading! Ciao! Oo, ikaw na! Wala Si ate, ano? Anong name nila?
Cindy po.
Oh, Cindy. Doon ka sa tabi ni ate.
Ay, al.
Okay? Yan.
To my most beautiful daughter, you are my life most beautiful gift. Thank you for making me so happy, my sweet daughter. I want you to know that Mama loves you so much. Sorry, my love, hindi ako nakauwi. Bawi ako next year, anak. Na-surprise ka ba? I hope you like it. Wala man ako dyan, anak. I want you to feel my love. Thank you, emergency. I find way to let you know you're always in my heart. I know how amazing you are. Always remember that you are deeply loved and cared by all of us, a family. You make me proud in so many ways. Keep it up, anak. You can always come to me no matter what, and I will help you figure things out. Enjoy your day, anak. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Thank you po.
Ano, ang cute niya. So, ano masasabi mo kay mami mo, Mama Asel? Ano?
Thank you po, Mama, sa pag-surprise sa akin. I love you.
Kay Daddy, Kader.
Daddy and Mama, take care always, and I love you both. Love you.
Ang cute. Ang garapay. Okay. In behalf of Mrs. Flowers of and Partinage, thank you Ate Sel sa pagpili sa pagtiwala ulit at ang ganda-ganda ng iyong anak ko. Ang tangkad-tangkad. Sana po ay naging masaya ang inyong baby sa inyong sorpresa. Talagang gusto niya talagang umuwi. Pero siyempre alam mo naman, di ba? Kaya nagpa-prepare ang mama mo sa amin ng ganito. Sana ay masaya ka sa kanyang gift. Ayan. Thank you po. Bye. Ito po, may message din po ang kanyang daddy. Andito po ang kanyang letter. Okay, ading pakibasa.
Any man can be a father, but it takes a special person to be a dad. We love you, Iya. Happy 13th birthday.
Thank you.
Everybody needs inspiration. Everybody needs a song, a beautiful melody. When the night's long, 'cause there is no guarantee that this life is easy. And when my world is falling will